My name is Oscar Cajun Bar. My teacher asked me to code an app. Let me show you. First of all, I have a label here that represents the timer. Then I have this label that is the question that you have to answer, and you have to put the answer in this label box, this text input box. And for the blocks, for the timer, you have to do when screen 5 opens, set timer enabled to true, and then you get timer. When your timer fires, if do equals your label equals 0, set your label text to 0, and then set your label to -1. That means a countdown. And then get your timer and let your timer wait 58 seconds, and then it will show 00. And this one is for like when you get the question right, it will go next screen. But if you get it wrong, you'll stay on the same screen. For question 6, it's the same, but under the design is a different question that you have to answer. And on screen 7, there's a different question you have to answer on 5 times 5. If you get it correct, you go to the next screen. This is the last question, the 7 times 6. If you get the answer, you have to type it in this text input. And then this is when you won. Let me show it to you. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 4, 16. 5 times 5, 25. 7 times 6, 42. And then you can restart it if you want.